What's up, everybody? Well, I got out of training early at work, so I was over in Lafayette, Louisiana, so I decided to come up to the Kisatchie National Forest because I've never been here. So I wanted to check it out and do a little mapping for Onyx and just kind of chill because I've had a stressful week and just wanted to get on some gravel and enjoy the wilderness a little bit and make my way back home. So far, good day. But it's pretty nice over here. This area here I'm at, they did a little bit of logging, so they cleared a lot of stuff, but I mean, it's not bad. See if we can't find some campsites to mark too. So let me keep going. So I came to this point right here. I'm gonna map this main road right here going straight that way. But there's a little offshoot right here, so I'm gonna pause my map, run down there and see if there's any campsites down there. Sometimes on the little offshoots there's campsites, and there's another one right down there on the map. We'll check those out and see if we can't find some campsites out here. So we were driving down the road going that direction, and there's this little offshoot right here, and on the map I can see there was a pond. So I thought I might walk over this way and see if there's a campsite. Or I didn't want to drive back in here because I don't know how wet it is. It looks like that last spot over there is pretty rutted. I don't feel like winching today, so I figured I would walk in here real quick and take a peek. A lot of trash all around this area. Oh yeah, this area is swampy. Swampy. I think I'll send Buzz back up and get an aerial view, because that's a big old pond. That's a big old body of water right there. Yeah, somebody been back here on four-wheelers and whatnot. Probably launching boats right here. Pretty nice. It's definitely swampy. Sometimes you just have to get off the beaten path and go walk down a trail. Leave the truck behind and go check stuff out to check it out. It's pretty nice. I mean, I can't really get a great view with my cameras because it's real swampy right in there and everything, so I couldn't really get to a good wide open shot of it. But that's what we have Buzz for. We'll just throw Buzz back up in the air and he'll get us a good shot of it. So let's get Buzz. This is a very tight little trail for a little truck. Oh, you hear all the branches. It'll buff out. That's all you gotta keep telling yourself. It'll buff out. Oh yeah. We may have to get the GoPro off for that one. Hang on, let me back up. So you can tell when a trail hasn't been used in a while when it's all raking down the sides of your vehicle. This one hasn't been used in a while. Hopefully I get out the other end. I ain't got my chainsaw with me. You can see how much it's rubbing. Oh. I don't want to take my camera off up there. Oh, yeah. That stuff always hurts when you hear it. Hopefully the rest of it won't be like that. Well, we're gonna call it quits and head back to go get Bandit. I'm gonna run out of daylight, so it's gonna be like 10 o'clock or so when I get home. I still got like 2 hours to go to get to Bandit and then go home. So I did do 2 trails. The second one was better than the first. The first was basically just forest roads, you know, it's nothing major, nothing crazy. Fun to drive on, pretty scenery. The second one I went on, it was interesting. Got some pinstriping, got to do some cool little rutted areas, and had fun. So I'll make my way to go get Bandit, and then off to the next one. Later.